Hey, I'm Arul, a massage therapist. One of the most common question I get from client is what exactly is myofascial release and why do people talk about it so much? Today let's dive into it together. First, what is fascia? Fascia is like a thin web of connective tissue that wraps around every muscles, joints and organs in your body. Think of it like a stretchy body suit under your skin, keeping everything connected. But when stress, injury, or posture issues happen, this fascia gets tight, like a wrinkled shirt that needs ironing. That's when you feel stiffness, pain, or limited movement. Okay, so what happens during myofascial release? Instead of working just on the muscles, I apply gentle, sustained pressure into the fascia, stretching it, holding it, waiting for it to melt and release. Imagine pulling on the wrinkled shirt until it slowly smooths out. When fascia loosens, your body moves easier, pain reduces, and circulation improves. So, who is this for? Is it just for athletics? Good question. Not at all. I have had office works with stiff neck, mom with chronic back pain, athletics with injury. All benefits from it. If you have ever felt tightness that stretches doesn't fix, or pain that keeps coming back, myofascial release may be what your body is asking for. But wait, doesn't deep pressure hurt? Yes, good question. Good point. Unlike deep tissue, myofascial release is slow, steady, and usually not painful. Some clients even describe it as good stretch from inside. You might feel mild discomfort, but the goal is release, not force. So, if you have been struggling with chronic tension, stiffness, or pain that just won't go away, myofascial release can be a game changer. So, it's not about quick fixes, it's about unlocking your body natural ability to move and heal. If this helped you understanding fascia better, give this video a like, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and follow me here on Wellz Hub for more educational wellness content. Your body deserves this knowledge. Stay tuned. Thank you.